how to fix Roblox keeps crashing mobile. So first of all, one of the reasons why this is happening to you because probably you haven't updated the app. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and make sure that you updated your Roblox the latest version in the new with the newest updates. Roblox problem will be probably fixed. So if that didn't work out for you, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen and close any other window that you might use on your while playing Roblox. So basically you're gonna just close any window that you might opened recently, and as you can see right here there's a lot of windows. Just go ahead and close each one so you can get a better experience while playing Roblox. If that didn't work out for you, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the main settings, and from here go ahead to the general. In the general, go ahead to the iPhone storage. In the iPhone storage, what's gonna happen is you're gonna just wait it out, and here you're gonna just try to find Roblox. In here I'm gonna just go ahead to the Roblox and I'm gonna upload the app, and uploading the app will release some of the unnecessary documented data within the app. And basically what's gonna happen, you're gonna just close the Roblox window and reopen it again, and that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.